Moto G34 5G has been launched in China as the latest 5G smartphone from the Lenovo-owned smartphone brand. The new Moto G series phone succeeds the Moto G32 from the last year and has a hole punch display cutout that houses the selfie camera. The Moto G34 5G runs on a Snapdragon 695 SoC coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. It flaunts a dual camera setup at the rear headlined by a 50MP main sensor. The Moto G34 is backed by a 5000 mAh battery that is claimed to deliver up to 24 hours of talk time on a single charge. The Moto G34 5G price is set at roughly Rs 11,600 for the lone 8GB of RAM plus 128GB storage variant. The phone comes in a sea blue and a star black colors and is currently up for purchase in China through Lenovo's official online store. Details regarding India launch of Moto G34 5G are yet to be announced. Last year's Moto G32 debuted in the country with a price tag of Rs 12,999 for the lone 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant. Moto G34 5G runs on Android 13 and features a 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The display has a hole punch cutout at the top. Under the hood, the new Motorola phone has an octa-core Snapdragon 695 SoC along with 8GB of RAM. The handset can also use up to 8GB of unutilized storage as virtual RAM for improved multitasking. For optics, the Moto G34 5G has a dual rear camera setup that includes a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP macro sensor. Selfies and video calls are handled by a 16MP front camera. The 5G smartphone features 128GB of onboard storage that can be expanded up to 1TB via microSD card slot. Connectivity options on the Moto G34 5G include 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication and it features dual stereo speakers with a Dolby Atmos. The Motorola has equipped the Moto G34 5G with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. The battery is claimed to deliver up to 24 hours of 5G talk time and up to 31 hours of intensive use. The battery unit is also said to offer up to 7.4 hours of video recording time on a single charge. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.